In this video, I'm going to be going through with you how to expand double brackets. So when you have a double bracket question like we have here, you need to multiply everything that's in one bracket by everything that's in the other bracket. So in the first question here, we have x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 6. So let's multiply x by x and then x by 6. So to help us with this, I'm going to write it out a bit differently. So the x is being multiplied by x plus 6. And then I need to do the same with 5. So 5 times x and then 5 times 6. So let's write that out as well. So plus 5 times x plus 6. So you can see the x plus 6 is the same for both. Now let's expand both of these brackets. So x times x is x squared, x times 6, 6x. Then 5 times x, we have 5x. And then 5 times 6, we have 30. Now, let's group our terms together. So we only have 1x squared. Then 6x plus 5x, that is 11x. And then 30 will be on its own. So that's our answer. X squared plus 11x plus 30. Let's do the exact same in the question here on the right. So x by x and then x by minus 5. Then 7 times x and 7 times minus 5. Let's expand our brackets now. So x times x, we have x squared, x times minus 5, minus 5x. Now 7 times x, we have 7x, and then 7 times minus 5, we have minus 35. Grouping terms now, so we only have 1x squared, minus 5x plus 7x, that is plus 2x, and then we have minus 35. And that is our final answer. In this question, we have x minus 8 all squared. Now don't make the mistake of just writing x squared minus 8 squared. In these questions, you have to write out your bracket twice. Now we expand it the exact same as the questions before. So x times x and x times minus 8. Same with the minus 8, so minus 8 times x and minus 8 times minus 8. Let's write that out. So expanding here, we have x squared minus 8x. The one on the right then, we have minus 8x. Then minus 8 times minus 8, that is plus 64. Let's simplify now. So we have x squared. Then minus 8x will get us minus 16x. And then we have plus 64. Okay, what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to try the ones at the bottom here. So if you pause the video and then try these, and then unpause the video and I will have the answers ready for you. So if you pause it now. Okay, let's see how you did. So for the first one, you should have x squared minus x minus 6. And for the bottom one, you should have x squared minus 10x plus 25. Okay. Last question now. So here we have a square, has a side length of x plus 1 centimeters. Find an expression for the area of the square. So in these questions, it's always easier to draw it out first. So let's draw out a square. And it tells us that the side length is x plus 1 And in a square, all sides are the same, so that means we'll have x plus 1 here as well. To find the area of a square, you multiply the sides. So let's do that. We're going to have x plus 1 times x plus 1. So x times x plus 1. So that's for the first one. And then 1 times x and 1 times 1. Let's expand now. So x times x is x squared. X times 1, we have 1x. Then 1 times x, we have another 1x. And 1 times 1 is 1. Simplifying now, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1.